Today I'm going to show you how to install a GFCI receptacle, go over some of the features, and how to test it after it's installed. Looking at the front face of the receptacle, you'll see there's two buttons, a reset button and a test button. On the bottom right corner there's also a little LED, which will tell you the state that the GFCI is in, whether it's working properly or not. Like all other receptacles, it also has different colored screws. The brass colored screws for the dark wires and the white silver screws for the white or neutral wires. You're going to see on the back also that it has a line and load. The line side is the power coming from the panel into the receptacle, and the load side is any device that the GFCI is protecting. I've already gone ahead and separated my line and my load here. The top wires are my power coming from the panel, and the bottom wires are the wires that are going to another receptacle in the washroom that I'm working in. Let's go ahead and start installing it. So let's start with the ground wire. The bare copper wire and the green screw always go together. So I'll turn the receptacle around and I'll look for the line side. Since I already know the line side because I've already separated them, I'll put the hot wire under the brass screw, and then I'll turn the receptacle over, and on the same line side I'll install the neutral. If you only have two wires coming into the box, you don't have to worry about the load side. You just put those two wires on the line side and you can finish installing the receptacle. In my case, I do have another receptacle in this washroom that needs to be protected by this GFCI. So I'll go ahead and I'll put those wires on the load side of the GFCI. If the receptacle didn't need to be protected by the GFCI, I would just put all the wires on the line side, both blacks on the same screw, both whites on the same screw. At this point, you want to verify your wiring. You want to make sure that your line side wires are going to the line side of the GFCI receptacle, and your load side wires are going to the load side of the GFCI receptacle. So I've gone ahead and I've turned the power on. Those two lights are just telling me that the receptacle is wired correctly. This tester that I'm using has a GFCI test function, that black button. So I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to press it. So now I'm going to go ahead and press the reset button. That should turn the GFCI back to its normal operating condition. The lights came back on. That lets me know that it's working correctly. Here the tester is plugged into the other receptacle in the washroom that's being protected by the GFCI. Let's go ahead and test it. So the power went out. Now to reset it, you go to the GFCI and press the reset button. Once you do that, the power should come back on. And that's how you install the GFCI receptacle. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comments and I'll respond to them accordingly.